In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to GoDaddy website. We'll start inside your GoDaddy dashboard. Open your site and choose Edit Website so you're working in the visual editor. This brings you into the page builder where you can add new content. Find the plus icon that appears between sections or in the left panel and click it to add a new section. This is where your booking calendar will live. From the section picker, look for the Files and Web category. This is where GoDaddy keeps tools for embeds and external content. Select HTML to create a space that can accept code from another service. When the options appear, choose Embed Custom Code on the page. You'll see a blank field or placeholder that's ready for your snippet. Keep this editor open. We'll come right back to it. Now switch over to Calendly in your browser. Go to your event types and pick the one you want visitors to book. Open the menu for that event by clicking the three dots next to it. From that menu, select Add to Website. Calendly offers a few ways to display your scheduler. Choose Inline Embed so the full calendar appears directly on your page rather than as a pop-up or a button. Click Continue to generate your embed code. You'll see a code block that includes a script and a div container. Copy that entire code snippet exactly as provided so nothing gets left behind. Head back to your GoDaddy editor where the HTML section is waiting. Paste the Calendly code into the custom code field. After a moment, you should see a live preview of your scheduler appear in the editor. If it doesn't show right away, give it a few seconds or check that the full code was pasted correctly. You can drag the section to position it where you want on the page, and if your template allows, adjust spacing or column width to give the calendar some breathing room. Most themes handle sizing automatically, but if your calendar looks cramped, expanding the section width or reducing surrounding padding can help. Avoid editing the script itself. Calendly's default code is designed to load reliably. That's it. You've added Calendly to your GoDaddy site by creating an HTML section, grabbing the inline embed from Calendly, and pasting it in. Now your visitors can schedule time with you right on your page, without leaving your website. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined booking experience.